from low-key. I've been running a lot, but low-key. I don't think about life, and I know this. I've been doing a lot, so I hold it. They talk about life struggles, I've been through a lot, so I know what I'm passing through. I don't say a lot, but I keep it inside, but I know my heart is bruised. They talk about lifestyle, you know lifestyle I've been through. I've been through a lot of things, but I don't say it, and you know it's been true. Access told me some shit that I don't understand, but you know it's been through. I've been through struggle, backstabbing, and you know a lot too, hey. I got fake friends in my life, they're a lot, but I wish it's stress. They be talking about more respect, I ain't got nothing, I got more strength. You be talking about upgrading, I'm upgrading already. You think you can stand in my shoes, fuck that, I know that I really have you. Talk about myself and study, got more stuff than I put it on deck. They can talk about me, I'm dead. Don't you be your see, I'm dead. Hey, let me talk about you. I'm already dead. Talk that, I ain't got no rest. Talk my face, talk my set, got the love, I hold it, talk to my friends, you know I got. The niggas talk me about time, but we got a lot of shit. But I gotta do something that's what you don't understand is real. Backside, you really want to slide on the backside. I don't use, just show you my backside. Tell the enemy I'm in the backline. I just show you that show me the backline. Let me give you this spotlight. I tell my friends in the room, I really just found myself prepared. Not just off, but I really understand. Gotta stay low key, so I prepare myself on the biggest stage. In case I don't understand, but I really prepare for all these days. Nobody can take me down, I'm the king of the stage. If you think you better than me, just come my ear and give me away. Fat boy, don't look at me, I'm standing on some boy. Find the playboy, standing on top boy. Find that bitch, I'ma take it to the hard boy. Then we talk about advert, I don't do advert, man, I just stand boy. You know what I mean when I stand on the stage and I'm really just bad boy. Shacking causes, I don't see. Big heavy, big fat man, shoot my team, I shoot my gun. You just draw, you miss your shot. Don't talk much, you ain't enough. Then we talk about sauces, man, got sauce and I really just pop. Gotta take something inside, so I'm really gonna be on top.